Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm going to explain you about procurement, what is exactly the procurement is and what is the work of supply chain and purchasing team. So let's get started. So what is mean by procurement? As I have written here, the procurement is part of supply chain management, that is SCM. It involves every activity involved in obtaining the goods and service a company. It needs to support its daily operations, including sourcing, negotiating terms, purchasing items, receiving and inspection goods as necessary, and keeping record of all the steps in the process. It means the supply chain is a one department uh, which works in line with purchase team, advanced quality team, customer quality team, logistic team is involved in supply chain itself, and the work of supply chain is to purchase the goods and service uh, which is needed to company uh, for assembly or anything. There is a two types of purchasing basically. First is direct purchasing, and second is indirect purchasing. Indirect purchasing, there is a means you are purchasing goods which is actually needed to assemble your final product or your selling product. And the indirect material means if you consider if company needs stationery, any cloud service, any PC, CPUs, non-additional what I say components which is needed for employee or other operations. That's called indirect material. So yeah, and this in this SCM, that is supply chain management, including sourcing, negotiation, receiving and inspection of goods. These all steps are carried out through supply chain. So basically, the supply chain management involves also involves logistics, logistic costing, what is the price per kilometer, the and how much amount of money we have to give to transport a person, and we will calculate costing of means transport costing, how much parts will be fit into the truck or vehicle. That is also part of supply chain, that is logistics. So what is the steps are involved in this process? So first is product and commodity. Um you must have the knowledge of your product and commodity. Commodity means it's kind of team which will handle a given particular parts. If consider in purchase team, there is four commodities. First is streams, second is electronics, third is powertrain, raw material. Means there are four commodities which will handle its individual parts, given parts. Means purchase team will handle all the trims, means plastic parts. Powertrain will handle its component part. So this kind of things is means a commodity. Second is design and specification of product. You must have knowledge about the product design and specification of the product. Second is the TRSO, technical review sign off. So basically, what happens when we develop render, then AQ team, advanced quality team, goes at supplier end and investigate all the components, line, all the technology the supplier having. what are the means how the actually works is going on. Is it feasible to manufacture a good product, good component, good part uh, by from supplier end? This will all investigate by a advanced quality team, and then final bidding list will comes up, and after that, go ahead will be given to the supplier, and after that, quotation must be received from supplier to purchase and EQ team as well. And after that, purchase team negotiate with that part for settlement. And purchase team, after negotiation, hard negotiation, the purchase team decrease the part price from a certain limit. After that, after discussion, the purchase team releases PO for supplier. After after PO release, the SOB means share of business will be given to the supplier. Means if we nominated two supplier for the one part, then we must be split into two parts. In first case, we can split into like 30-40%, 30-70%, 60-40% to the both supplier. After that, start of business means SOP, start of production and supply will be continued. So, what are the important documents needed in this process? So, first is product design and specification, as we discussed uh, recent slides recent slides. So, first is product design and specification. The engineering team will send you a design and specification. Based on that, the SOR should be given from uh, AQ team, that is statement of requirements. Sorry, a statement of requirements should be given from engineering team, R&D team, and the TRSO has been done with AQ team. Then bomb sign off should be carried out. Means in one assembly, how much child part is going to fit over there, and after that, vendor code. The vendor code means each each supplier who will providing us a part. So they nominated one code. That code is means help us to display all their information of vendor. Then agreement documents means how much from which date to which date the supplier will be providing this part, and what will be the price, what will be the reduction per year, per each year, and what will be the ECN means engineering change uh, notice. After that, PO will release, and in the system, in the SAP system, we update on the in the SAP system for records. This is the I talk about I talk about purchase team. So now supply chain management. Supply chain management means the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the operation of the supply chain with the purpose of satisfying customer requirements as efficiently as possible. So supply chain manages, uh, plans, and operates the whole chain from receiving raw material to finish good, uh, which will come into factory for assembly or production. That all the scenario will be handled by supply chain management. The main aim of supply chain management is reduce the cost while maximizing customer satisfaction level, and improving organizational performance. ACM involves managing all activities related to sourcing, procurement, conversion, and logistics. Uh, as well as the ACM handles warehousing, store, logistic, and many more. The supply chain means this is the wide area. So in this is the supply chain, and okay. So, guys, let's understand the working principle of supply chain management. So, supply chain management will planning the how the whole process will be going on, what will be the obstacle we will have in future, and what will be the profit loss scenario after this planning. After second step will be sourcing. They source the raw material or anything goods, any goods. After that, procurement is a broad term. I don't know why it is included here. After that, whole production plan must be carried out by supply chain management because the production plan will be given by supply chain. So supply chain also manages or handles warehousing and inventory. After that, supply chain also handles distribution of products, means goods, and after that, customer service and reverse logistics. So let's understand the key aspects of ACM, which includes sourcing, procurement, conversion, and logistics. In sourcing, basically, it is a process of selecting supplier who can provide materials and services required by the company at the best price. That's called sourcing. And second is procurement. The procurement means negotiating with the suppliers for cost reduction and for better settlement of part and some terms and condition settlement for supplier and for PO release and managing supplier performance. That's called basically procurement. And second is raw material means conversion means uh, when we transform raw material into finished products, includes manufacturing aspects, assembly, packaging, and other steps involved into bringing a product into market. That's called we call conversion. And second is logistics. And second is logistics. The we all know logistics means freight basically. So this is the process of managing the transportation and storage of goods from supplier to customer. So logistics in procurement refers to process of moving goods from the point of production to point of delivery. Means if any nominated supplier is manufacturing parts for us, we are company. Let's consider we are buyer, and any small startup is providing or manufacturing us part, and and consider the supplier is living at other state. So how he will uh, how he will dispatch the manufactured product. So he need freight means transportation facility. He need truck, trolley, bean, and these all kind of packages he needed. And based on calculation, uh, they handed over to a transport company, and after that the parent company will be means we receive the goods in our company uh, from with the help of Incoterm. We agree Incoterm while agreement. So what are the benefits of logistics? First is flow of goods, means it will continue improving flow of goods. Second is faster delivery, and third is decreased cost. If we calculated the right calculation, if we calculate right calculation, then we will absolutely will decrease the cost of part. Then the speed with which products can be delivered. And as you can see, here is the flow diagram. This is the conclude slide. So, so first steps is identification of requirement. Second is determining the requirement specification. Second, third is vendor evaluation. Means we develop vendor. Third is negotiation and finalizing payment methods. After if we negotiated, and after that we finally do the agreement for payment. Then we raise purchase request, and sixth is delivery of purchase order, means we release PO from our side. Then expediting the purchase, uh, supply and inspection, then payment process and documentation and review. So this is the end of this presentation, and I hope you will you got the concept of what is the procurement and supply chain, which I thought basic of the same. So thank you from my side. We'll meet soon. Thank you.